Good evening. The New Mexico Supreme Court handed down an opinion that gives district court judges guidance on how to decide whether defendants facing felonies should stay behind bars until their trials. Pretrial detention has been controversial at times. Now many hope today's ruling will bring clarity. News 13's Nataliewatis spoke with the Attorney General and the District Attorney and has more details.
The guidance tells judges to look at the defendant and the case as a whole when deciding whether or not someone should be released before their trial. Now, officials today tell me they're hopeful this means less dangerous people will be let back out onto the streets.
For example, look at their history, determine whether or not there's been violence in it, determine whether or not they follow court orders, and then you implement a decision based on that holistic common sense approach rather than on what some computer model is telling you may or may not happen. It's using common sense. It's going to make a big difference. We're thrilled with the Supreme Court's decision.
This opinion was handed down after the case against Joe Anderson, who was charged with murder and had years of being in and out of the justice system for violent offenses. In that case, a district judge allowed Joe Anderson to be released pending his trial on an ankle monitor, despite his criminal history. He cut off his ankle monitor before the state Supreme Court ruled he should have been held until trial. The Attorney General hopes this clarification will mean more people will be held.
My hope over the long run is that with each new victory that we have, that we improve the chances that defendants like this will remain behind bars.
Now, the Supreme Court is saying judges should look not only at the dangerousness of the defendant, but whether the public can be reasonably protected if they are let out. Officials tell me they're hopeful this will help courts make these decisions and keep the community safer. Nataliewatis, KRQE News 13.
The Supreme Court said that judges cannot only look at the current charge to decide whether the defendant should be held until trial.